Residents and visitors have changed their plans and cut vacations short because of the bracing for the impacts for Hurricane Erin.
Yeah, in Dare, Currituck, and Hyde counties, mandatory evacuations are in place. And now, as we mentioned, NC 12 is closed off in some areas due to overwash. Our Brianna Fallon is live at Jeanette's Pier with an up-close look. Brianna, looks like the wind is whipping you around. How are conditions this morning?
Yeah, it's very, very windy out here. I'm actually holding the hood of my jacket right now to try and prevent sand from getting into my eyes because the wind is so strong, it's picking up the sand and pushing it everywhere. If you actually want to take a closer look behind me, you can see right on the pier, there are piles of sand, and that sand just continues to blow everywhere, as you might be able to see on your screen. It's very windy, a little crazy out here, but you know, today, like Evan mentioned, there is still a major threat for coastal flooding from Hurricane Erin as it continues to move along and off the coast. Now, yesterday, folks who did not evacuate Hatteras Island were asked to shelter in place after officials closed parts of NC 12 near the Bass Neck Bridge over Oregon Inlet to all southbound traffic now that extreme overwash threatens the road. And there's no official time that NC 12 will open back up, but NCDOT told 13 News Now last night that they will reassess the road this morning after the high tide. And according to NOAA, that high tide is expected to be around 6:40 this morning. Now, even walking back over here, it's a little difficult against the wind, but like I mentioned, the sand is everywhere. Definitely probably not the best idea to go on a morning walk. But again, if you are in Hatteras Island, now's the time to shelter in place and to make sure you stay safe out there. Brianna Fallon, 13 News Now.